Everyone, Chris from Pete and Pedro here, and I'm in serious need of a trim. Let's get started. Grab the right tools, a facial hair grooming tool and your razor. Toss an attachment on your grooming tool. Me personally, I like to keep my beard at 8 millimeters. And we get started here. Remember, don't rush, keep it smooth, get both sides, and don't forget about your soul patch. Next, we're gonna work on the mustache. I keep mine a little shorter at 6 millimeters. If you've ever eaten ice cream, you know why. Next, we're gonna start our edge up. I like to use the pre-shave oil. It's amazing. Your razor will just glide. It's important and very easy to keep your boundaries in check, guys. Now we'll move on to the aftershave balm. It's very soothing. Make sure to get all the spots you shaved. The beard oil smells amazing, guys. I don't care if you have a full beard or stubble, you need to be using this. And if you pair it up with this boar bristle brush, not only will your beard feel amazing, you'll be helping your beard growth. Much better. Thanks for watching, guys.
Look at all this hair all over the floor. You made a mess.
Don't worry, I got this.
And it doesn't hurt to keep a stubble buddy on standby.